Hello everyone, I'm Neslihan Katmer. I'm chemistry student in bootcamp and this is my video for my physics lab project. In this video I will talk about my experiment which I did for my physics lab. And my experiment is calculating gravity from position formula. I will talk about position formula and how I calculated gravity from position formula later in video, but right now I will just talk general about my experiment. In this experiment, I have three different objects and I dropped them from different heights, and then I just measured the time and then calculated gravity from position formula by using time. But there is some error occurs, and there's a lot of reason for these errors, but there's two main reasons I will talk about right now. The first one is air resistance. While my object falls, air resistance makes my object slow down. Therefore, the time that I measured can't be correct all the time. And the second reason is me. I chose low heights for dropping objects because I didn't want to air resistance affect my object so much. Therefore, measuring time was really hard for me because the heights was so low, like 2 meters, 1 meter, 1.5 meter. Therefore, some errors occurred, and that's it. Let's go on with my experiment. Position formula is y final equal y0 plus v0 t plus 1/2 acceleration t squared. In this formula, we know what's the y0 because we know the position that we dropped our objects, which are 2 meter, 1 meter, 1.5 meter. And in this formula, also we know what the y final is because our object falls down to the floor and we regard floor as a 0 point. Also, we know what the v0 is because our initial velocity in free fall is also 0. And in this formula, we also know the t because I measured t while our object falls. And acceleration is gravity, and that's how we calculate gravity from this formula.